Today I will be unboxing this new upgraded polygel nail kit from Ohuhu Beauty. The first thing you get are 2 bags of polygel nail forms. You have your little pamphlet, shows you everything that you get in this kit, plus how to do your nails with polygel. You get this full lamp. Here's your little cable. Here is the lamp. It's super nice. You have a 60-second button, 80 seconds, and 99 seconds. Here are all your glitters. You get a polygel brush in here. One side's a spatula, one side is the brush. You get a 100-180 grit nail file. You get this, which is probably good for applying glitter or dusting off glitter or nail dust. So that's really nice. Then we have all of the glitters that come in this kit. So first here I've picked up this iridescent one. I really like that one. Then we have this beautiful lavender purple one, a very pretty gold fine glitter, some holographic glitter, got some pretty blue glitter, some rose gold and holographic glitter, some silver fine glitter, and lastly these very cute butterflies, some iridescent butterfly. Now we've got a couple more tools. You get a cuticle pusher and a little cuticle cutter. These are some applicators to apply glitter or powders. You get 2 of those and a very nice nail clipper, nice and sturdy, and a nice little small one for your fingernails. We have all of these polygels that you get. These are all 30 grams, so you get a really good amount in here, and I will just go through these all and squeeze out a little bit so that you can see them. And you get some slip solution. And on this side you get a top coat and a base coat, and a really good size too. You get 12 milliliters.